This tutorial will go over how to enter leave with pay related to professional development for YAEP members, which will in turn provide accurate accounting and reporting as required by the department. Please remember that as per Article 18 of the YAEP Collective Agreement, leave is to be requested in advance of the dates that it is required. In the case of professional development, Article 12 of the Collective Agreement requires that it be submitted at least 5 working days prior to the requested dates, or 10 days prior if the absences are for more than 3 days. To get started, log into my HR file. If you don't know your account details, please contact your Information Technology Support Services (ITSS) branch in Education. On your Employee Self-Service homepage, click on Employee Leave. The page will come up and will look something like this. Click the Leave Request button. In the description field, enter the course or event name. Select Leave Type. Leave with Pay, LWP. Select the reason code that accurately reflects your leave. You should use PD Departmental Supported when your leave is for approved student support services or curriculum and assessment activities. Make sure to enter the course or event name in the description field. PD Other Supported is for workshops covered by other agencies. This does not include the department, YAEP, or individual school activities. Again, make sure to enter the course or event name in the description field. PD YTA Supported is for when you have a letter of approval from YAEP supporting the PD event. Please refer to your YAEP letter of acceptance. It will state YAEP PD. Enter the course or event name as identified in the YAEP letter of acceptance in the description field. PD School Supported is for courses and events approved by the principal, inside or outside of the territory. Do not use this reason code if the leave is for a YAEP event for which you have received an approval letter. Reason codes, contract negotiations, association business, and Canadian Teachers Federation are used for events and meetings where you have received approval from YAEP. Refer to the YAEP letter of acceptance. It will state the appropriate reason. Once you have chosen the correct reason code, fill in the dates of the leave. If you're entering a partial day, click Details, then enter the number of hours and the start and end time of the leave. When you're happy with your request, click Submit, and your request will go to your supervisor for approval. It is very important to include the workshop name in the description field for all PD-related leaves. This ensures accuracy in reporting and reduces the need for follow-up. In the event the leave was not taken, amend or withdraw the leave accordingly, and let YAEP know that you did not attend. It is crucial that you work with your school's administrative assistant if you require a teacher on call so that they can record it correctly. This is required for departmental reporting purposes, and that's how you enter leave with pay related to professional development for YAEP members. Thanks for watching.